thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make pinakbet na may gata. Pinakbet with shrimp.
And these are the following ingredients that we needed. I have talong, bitter melon, zucchini squash, onion and little ginger, and generous amount of garlic for spices. I have some squash, okra, and tomatoes. We also have here some black pepper, salt, and of course the gata. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of salted shrimp and any kind of oil because we are going to saute all of these. Using medium-high heat, I am warming the pot that I'm using. I put 2 tablespoons of oil and we're going to saute our onion. Then I added the garlic. Then we're gonna add the ginger. I think the spices are all ready. After sauteing the onion, garlic, and ginger, then I added the squash and bitter melon. Then I mix both of them well, the squash and the bitter melon. I leave them for 2 minutes before I add the rest of the vegetables. About 2 to 3 minutes, I added all the vegetables. Tomato, the okra, the eggplant, and the zucchini squash. After stirring the vegetables, then I covered it and let it steam for 10 minutes. Okay, it's about 10 minutes now from steaming all the vegetable. I am going to add the coconut milk, the gata. Then I added the whole can of coconut milk. Then I added 2 tablespoons of salted shrimp paste. I'm just gonna mix them.
After putting the gata and the shrimp paste, I waited for another 5 minutes. Okay, checking on my pinakbet. It's 5 minutes now. And as you can see, it's simmering and boiling. I am going to put and add the shrimp. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll mix them well. After about 5 to 10 minutes, I stop the fire and the pinakbet with gata and shrimp is ready to be served. So this is the finished product of my pinakbet with gata and shrimp. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the video, and if you have not subscribed in my channel, please do so you will be notified on my new uploaded videos. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay!